Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. I recently met one of my students at JMD Academy, old student who is right now going as a third officer on ship. So I talked to him, मैंने बोला भाई अभी किस कंपनी में हो? कहता सर मैं जिस कंपनी में था, I won't name the company, I have switched over to another company. मैंने बोला अरे but why? कहता सर my own company was sending me as a junior officer watchkeeper. At this company is giving me a promotion and sending me directly as a third officer. Now the company that this guy is joining is not promoting its own people but taking people from outside, and maybe the company that he was in are doing the same thing. Now something is seriously wrong with the companies as well कि भैया अपने लोगों को प्रमोट नहीं करना है बट बाहर के लोग अगर मिले तो ले लो यार. बट दिस एग्जिस्ट इन एवरी इंडस्ट्री, नॉट जस्ट इन शिपिंग. HCL, TCS, Infosys सब जगह है ये चीज़. So having said that, the only thing that I want to tell you guys is, suppose you know that you have joined as a deck cadet in this company, and they will maybe make you do a contract as a junior officer, okay, at a salary of $1,600. Now some people become यार चल ठीक है ना यही कंपनियाँ बढ़िया है, but some people are smart. They are on LinkedIn making connections in the meanwhile. They're talking to people. They're looking at various prospects that they come across their way. They are on various portals. They are also looking at opportunities whenever they come and they grab them. Like this boy did. कहता सर मैं तो बहुत सारे नेटवर्क कनेक्शन बना रहा था लिंक्डइन के ऊपर. Then sir I got this opportunity on one of the platforms. Sir I just grabbed it. They took my interview and they're sending me directly as a third officer. Sir I would have gotten that my old company $14. Right now I'm getting $2,800. Now guys out here, I do not want to say that you should not be loyal to your company, but first thing is that you should be loyal to your profession as well. सो अगर आपको कोई ऐसी कंपनी मिलती है जो कि आपको डायरेक्टली थर्ड ऑफिसर भेज रही है, देयर इज नो हार्म. दी ओनली थिंग इज कोई ऐसी कंपनी में मत चले जाना जहां पर सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड्स आर वेरी पुअर. हो सकता है आप ईरान, इराक ऐसी जगह भेज दें जहां पर आपको लगे कि चीज़ अच्छी हो जाएगी, बट ऐसा ना हो. सो मे बी सैम्पल ऑफ एवरेज शिपिंग कंपनीज, मे बी स्लाइटली बिलो, you take promotion then move ahead, does not a problem at all. You can go ahead. So this guy, what he did, I would say 10 on 10 for his smartness. So try to come out of your comfort zone as well. Look for opportunities. Come on LinkedIn. Try to build connections. Get faster promotions. Move ahead in life. But when I say faster promotions, I want to say you be capable of those promotions as well. So become smart and get upskilled as well. Well guys, to all those junior engineers watching this video who really want to upskill themselves so that when they get this opportunity they can crack those interviews and they can perform well on ship, maybe you should go ahead with the 4th engineer and 3rd year excellence package. The link is given below so that you can do these online courses and move ahead in life, क्योंकि यही आपको अपस्किल करेगा. इफ़ यू आर डेक कैडेट, द ओनली पैकेज दैट आई हैव गॉट फॉर यू राइट नाउ इज ROR पैकेज. मे बी कुछ अच्छे इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोज़ आप देखें विच कैन रियली हेल्प यू बिकम अ बेटर ऑफिसर ऑन शिप. इन फ्यूचर इफ आई कैन हैव मोर डेक ऑफिसर पैकेजेस, I would definitely let you know. With this, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.